Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Your people own is still, you are still, you want to collect others people home and join that to your own. That is jealousy. That is jealousy. What God gave to you, you don't really use it the way it is. You did not satisfy with what God gave to you, and you wanted to have it all. It is not done that way. It is not done that way. Edona be ka we mokpaga e a me ya fowe. Eri do yata o we mokpaga e a me ya fowe. Be no jenania. O a me ka oni bisi. Eko na yaria. Eko na nu ya lenwe si gi oviwawe. Eko nu ya me vo hearty. Awe manue. That is the jealousy we are talking about. We are your well adian, ma be your ladian. We wo devil. Wu wokpa almost to nya ya se otorium. Almighty egba be your vie do ne wakiri. Egba be your. Where are your way? Not by yoga, not by yoga, not by yoga. E jealousy na. Agaria. Erevie do ne wakiri. Doris Monday me yaje. If you collect your own and others also collect their own, it's not going to be too much jealousy. It's not going to be too much jealousy. Always take the one that belongs to you. Also, let the one that you have be content with what you have. Know what is others people. You will take it and you will turn it to your own. No, it does not work that way. Even what is yours is yours. What is not yours, it is not yours. If you wanted to take what belongs to others to yours, I don't know how God always used to do it to. Oh, what's your woman? I say 20 minutes, don't say 100 minutes. Life in. What's your woman? I say me life in. Where toto? Where do we toto me life in real life? Wafi and go fear Tory. I can begin with doggy because he might only Tory because he will life. Why good? La laughing. Why go you do not work it? So let me pin the number there. Hello, baby, people that is on YouTube channel, no. So what you have, be satisfied with that. What you have. Well, this my mate will never progress as far as I live. Hija. It's not like that now. You need to let your own be your own, while others are the others' own. While my own is my own. Jealousy heart. Apartation. Like the whole person, if you to get more jealousy inside you. Hypertension. Now they can. I don't know. You can't get BP. No, you not go even reach old age before that BP go start. Because na jealousy. Now they build us inside you so. My mate must not progress. I am the one who is going to progress. If you have that jealousy heart, you need to throw her aside. Focus. Pray for the one that belongs to you. How God used to create you. You go get your own. You go say, no, this your own no satisfy you. Now, the others people own, I want satisfy you. Oh, my man, nah. Oh, my man. Hey, it does not work that way. Doris, God bless you, my darling. It does not work that way. People say, oh, my man. It does not work that way. Like now, I get this phone, for example. This phone, I get this phone. And that phone, this phone that I has, and you get the one way better pass this my phone. You get the one way better pass this my phone. You get and you go the talk say no, I don't like this one where this my phone way better pass this my own. So you want the one way me get. It no fit work like that. It no fit work. It no fit work like that now. And I must collect the one way you get. I like this your own pass my own. Oh, come on. Why nah? Why? And that character, your pikin go come the learner. Your pikin go come still the possessor. Oh, echo ni bisi ne do guakani. Echo ni bisi. Emi ni me some okay. Now wetin I get. Wetin me get. No, they always satisfy me. Now wetin others people get. Now I want take control my own. Oh, echo ni bisi ne do guakan. Now the truth. Echo ni bisi ni ne do guakan. Osie. If they never collect that one, join their own, they will never have peace of mind, no rest of mind. You need to do things the way God creates you. Do things. Jealousy heart is start with the root of all evil. When they also say money is the root of all evil. Now so jealousy heart still be. Jealousy heart. If you get man, that man no go satisfy you. Except na boyfriend na go satisfy you. If you get girlfriend, that girlfriend, you know, he will never satisfy you. Your eye go date your boyfriend, girlfriend. It no be wetin work like that. It no good. It no good. Like for example now, instead when you go dey pray your prayer, say God, you way they do one for this person, do one for me. Imamu dans les diagnos, ou si muri agno, baba woho me soge. Do my own passing you. Now your prayer be that early in the morning. If you want to sleep, now your prayer be that. My beautiful, lovely queen. Oh, Fuegbe. Usari men oko bo. You understand? That is the truth. Now your prayer be that. You need to pray early in the morning. Say, God, remove this spirit of jealousy that is in me. Remove it out of my life. When I newly come this Europe, I get friend. Evil Bosara, is surplus, is jabrata, what he could never see. Is surplus. When you go get boyfriend as well, people go they tell you say, leave them. If they go try make they spoil you, give your boyfriend. And you are very good to that your boyfriend. Because their own is not okay for them. Instead of them to be praying, oh God, you that give this very person, your boyfriend, our boyfriend, also give me the one that even better than this my girlfriend, boyfriend. You not go pray out. All you need to sit down to be doing is to go there and spoil your girlfriend head to that your boyfriend. I spoil that your girlfriend where they see money. You need software, but you need market. Where they see money? Every day. My mate go there. I don't, people don't, they don't do. Uhune no salobo amulele rielele kuni adiagbon. Almost to agwe kuni ro. Vehe kuni na one. So the extent makeup when me they use. Person can't say in one user. I carry the makeup like this. Take. User. Lead when me tell they do inside my eye. He say na that one he see what. I give her lead. He not say satisfied. He say lipstick. You know say that that time with the sugar lipstick what would they use? Then with the sugar put this thing inside. Now water on. You use and rub your lip. He say na that lipstick in what? Maybe they put juju inside. What did they call it? Maybe they put medicine inside or whatever. He say na that one in what? Everything, both makeup and everything. He collect everything from Osawe Megazo Wege. Osawe Megazo Wege give her. On a faithful day like this, you know what she can't tell me? He says, Sister Uluebo. Uluebo na wayaka. Awe because someone Uluebo. Every yoga go reach my cream. They will me weapon. He go say make I can't give am cream. Yeah, why ya go me and you get you as they see you for there. Oh no, he go say na that cream when me they use, na him want use. I go see carry the cream give am. He go still use the cream. He go still use the cream. He go say, hey, on a faithful day, this lady confessed to me where Mama Kun Uluebo. Oh man no luebo. Free me no ma vediana. So we give me one we aye bomwebo give me. A star me ya mi go me. Is my star. Iye star me iye me rock bangwina. A star me ya mi. So many things they were coming in different ways. Oh my God. Me rate story me te degbete dem. Me osi egbeso ya ge me so me ke bi nema wa fliki me ogi me gie. Me awele me so story me ata. I te degbete dem. Dem yu ga na my we kuni. That is the reason why ni nothing about say negi o ma hi oba wa ti gege ti yan mi ni. They just want to have everything usawe megazo we giga. Iga amigo gbo we hey ipele wa na ki. Iga wa wona gbo come. Iga wa wona de ke demini amawi. Ya se gbe gbakian. Iyan do gada. Oni osie ni nata we ko we ga won. Emi ro gbaro na ase no sebe gbo. Okon na ri ogo be wawa. No ri ogo bogwega. No ri obokobo. Awe gawe na yasi ekoto. It not the work. Believe me. Ehove ya ya time. Enwe na ruda we. Una no salobari elele we adiagun. Ehio ma. All them agi. Ma na gmonore not to target biba. Enwe na. It was I worry. Now what for now? Now so this man just like him. Yagwa munye kuni uyoto yagwa na vera jamu we mi yajena. Yagwa munye kuni yoto yagwa na. Na so this man like this one. Na so this man like this one. Off we be Princess Kate. Na so this man like this one. Anything where they talk, you know, they enter this man here. They go do anything by anything. Make the taste scatter and say na this friendship. They want scatter and who go gaya yari. Even in my boy, my way, wa gang gopi. Iya wa vag beku ni ariejo. Ariejo. And now, this your woman. I bet you live on for whistle. This one. Ni me ari agbe me na woto me na mo pe va kugbe iwa. Imagine na mo pe va kugbe iri lele. They make sure we Arian ate onaria o wa manene gbakin. E wa re yan na. Gbese yan wa ti me mero wa o. Mama, waji. Igba me brother bodoni. Igba me wuri abodoni. Iye ke egese ha. Salobu ame. O si ngbe ayan. Igba me bodo. We na we gesia. Bene brother wa ya yo bokanya ya teme me no ya ji ya gbe teme he na wa o agi ya mi wo gbe ya bene brother wa mase bene wa una na wa salobo oni we wa weti meba Oni o we ti me bani me ade do we mi no ni do ya do lele na be gba kan gbin o e ma no lele pe ni do ya le ni yan gbin because o me nwina inwine gbu we be de mu e be de agbe. That is the jealousy. They want to do anything just to remove the man out of the way. Na me we I do accomplish I do accomplish my way gbe wa wo mi me no risu no dai pe ano wa lele amma we eri ana ni ahi eri onyi me gba ni me ni wa una no amma we ri onyi me gba ni amma we ri ji e kokin se amma we ri yen wo no na amma we emi pa ni wa tan mi e wo yes o pe ara we na ti succeed we no ya mu hu o pe ani ri abi kini gbo ko ni o pe ani o pe ko awe no no dame kan no ma be no sick ya tai no ma no no o ma emi no gwa lo ba gbon o we na ti mu hu ho ni ri amakpe ani o pe ano emi no gwa lo ba gbon o ha we ke no zegbe eke no zegbe o ho no ga no gi lo ye ko ya no irun o pe ano no irun wo tagbon ehin ya expire mi rime na kin rudan we ran no rebe go mo egbe me ri ona sunu o ka ona sunu ko geba emi pa ni wata we that man does not meant for us we me ga so wegi no it does not meant for me oga emi no saloba ya zeme almost to mudia keme no matter eni na o e gbe na afilu exam e gangan almost modia because saloba we owe o se no na derive e be vie yo e ki egbe yo life must surely goes on because when I say destination where I say destination please share me out please. You understand? You never reach that destination. When you get to that destination that man will never care. Ameni gagboe obi agbe nenu pia. Ameni gagboe obi agbe nenu pia. O veni gabe kawe obi aka nenu pia. Emi kemi na ririta. Tu amos to we ya mu egbe. Akedo mi ewo salobwa ori ogie you wa ifadagun. Tu amos to mu egbe. That is the reason another way. Ikpi ekwawe ebi ku ekwawe ni amese keniari they never get to their destination. A real man omudia kale ohuya notigi wude tomudia. A real woman tomudia kale ohuya notigi ne be dagmini nukbia eke no zegbe o a real woman oho no sekbe oho ne hemi mu oho ne dane gangan oho no tawo oba ke bi wigu were ma da from any festi eke no zegbe onini aga hewe nini gabe ahewe aga tawo uma gabe ibe mu wegbo da from any festi. What make you a real woman is for you not to listen to side talk. It's for you not to listen to gaga lifestyle. That is what make you a real woman. No matter the storm, no matter the stone they are going to throw, you will still stand as a real woman. Oh, go ya no degbode. Usalobo or ye timi would be no ya kale ayodere. That is who no sekbe. Weke no se. Ye kino da fome segale lese. Kini bakyame segale lese. Eke no ohwe imena segale lese. Oh no se okbe no sekbe. Va ya han okbe no sekbe ni he. Va ya hian he. Iyan ga de wo modia. Okon na kwe aria wo hu mai. Aria wo hu ni mawe. Oga so wa etamo bu kan. O me sure work beji yagbe. Mami ya nitali ko talo. Kwa ebiga ewege. Ori yevetan. Ebiga ewege ori yevetan. Eta sowa, no matter who mean came in nino, or make sure what overcome to boy, or to boy that or bow koto yage, they mean a great talent of Wuhani because many told be yama no honi dear or boya, they will make sure where a honi in body. A honi in body. Here another boya, oh come. That is why they always said it, the battle is not ours, but God. Iya no je wo boya uhugo eni uhugo ya he gbo ho veri o mi no because when you are not a lion as a man that has a lion heart, you will end up be calling them names. Ije ni si okere mommy laje u emi ya je Mrs. Victoria Erabo of Wegbera Ijenubi. You understand? Eh, only a walk on in Wegbere. Eria wa me who be a babano. A book over the yani. And even though that woman felt they do that kind of thing before. Maybe since we ten know you, it can't stop. That kind of life is you know the living again. Since we just know you stop all those life. Those flirting lifestyle or going with different men. Because there is a woman where you go, man where you go meet. You fed they flirt, you fed they go jump here and there. You go just meet that particular man. Since then, you will not look aside again. Now that man, now you go focus on. Now that man, now you go just the cause, oh, this one. Now the kind man when they want. Be this. So that kind of spirit, that urge way there inside you that making you to be flirting around, it will just stop totally. It go, that urge go just stop totally. Now that man, even though person toast you for road again, you no go one listing again because you don't jam the man who they always make you happy or whatever. What did they make you to go? They do all those kind life character. When you make you the possessor of those character, it go just stop once. It go stop totally. And you go come they tell the man, say, hey, Jesus Christ. And then those people, and now you don't stop, oh. You only focus on only that man. You know they look outside again. You know the any man where passes you by, you know how to resist that man now. Because you are with someone already. You are with someone already. And that man is everything to you. It means the whole world to you now. And those a friendly friend of your boyfriend go command. Kate. Carrie. Ade Abiola Remi Yayena. You understand? So those your friendly friend, they'll say, this one, no man they pass it by. Any man way come you way, now take the now they jump. Now not be the even the toast and I didn't they toast those men. Thanks so much. Not being the toast those men. Not being the toast those men. Not be those men they toast and now she they toast those men. Okay, good to hear that. Now she they toast those men. You they see. Because that man no one care again. No matter the name you will call my girlfriend. It go even show you instantly. If you like that woman sleep all over the whole, all the old men where they Europe, the woman sleep with them. That was them. That was them, not now. So then the man go come pull eye down. If truly what they are saying, is true or not, he not go ask the woman. But if not so, equal women. He go meet the woman. So now so you judge. Now so you judge. So if you just come out finish, now so you go they sleep around. They follow different men waka. They any man way passes you by. No man they passes you by every day. If this one they come out, this one go they come. This one go they come out, this one go they come. Now be equal way where we they talk about. Me way not strong. Me way be like a punky leaf. Punky leaf. Now be those kind men. Talkative men. My way not get reserved. Me way they talk up and down. Me way their match remain unstoppable. They must say whatever their friends say to them for beer parlor or waiting the eye see or waiting their eye not see. They must surely talk. If they never talk and finish, they no go stay. Now make no woman they ever stay their hand. No woman, believe me, no woman they ever stay their hand. They'll say, I just they follow women since no woman, I'll follow this one. They favor me. I go follow this one, no favor me. I'll follow this one, no favor me. Why can't you sit down on your own and cure the sickness that is disturbing you? Off work, make it Faith Sunday. And cure the sickness that is inside you. That make you to be talkative. You could have sit down very well and cure that sickness first. After you cure the sickness, you now start living a pure life. A life, I don't care life. I no send life. You go see, say, if you toast woman today, it go they stay your hand. It go they stay your hand. Any woman where you toast today, you know they carry and go Nigeria. Go vandalize the matter for Nigeria. You know go carry and go meet your great-grandfather. Go vandalize the matter for Nigeria. You know go carry and go give your great-grandmother. Go vandalize the matter for Nigeria. You only keep it to yourself. No matter what it is. You go see, say, your friendship na eternity. Your marriage, it go be forever. Not be say cold go catch you. You go call Nigeria. Mosquito go chop you. You go call Nigeria. Fly go fly pass you. You go call Nigeria. Anything will just shake you small. Na Nigeria you want call. If you never call Nigeria, you will never get peace. You will never get joy. You will never get happiness. Everything about your friendship. Before you go, Nigeria go no. Before you go, people where they with you here go no. Now Nigeria be the first person. You know they ever get peace. Not until you narrate that story to Nigeria people. You will never get joy. You will never get. As your boyfriend take peace, you go call Nigeria. As your boyfriend take it, you go call Nigeria. The shirt where your boyfriend wear, you go call Nigeria. The eyeglass where your boyfriend put for Nigeria body, you go call Nigeria. Cap where your boyfriend wear, na Nigeria you feko. Even the so-called your boyfriend not get sick. Now your family get sick towards your egbahen. Towards your egbahen. Now then, now your family can't get sick. Now your family they tell you what you want to do. I don't know how we fenorowa or hame noro ewe mirowa. I don't have a task video where fenorioma oga oma. And don't have a better where Jinora go and go live no we. Agwa kinegbe o, agwa kinegbe. Jinora go magwa le mi no we o. Agwa kinegbe o, agwa kinegbe. Yeah, hello. Hello? Hello? Ojinora magwa le mi no we o. Ai, no. Agwa kinegbe o, agwa kinegbe. Oh, I will carry my phone get on. Yeah, hello. Off work be. Emi ya wama. Ire life o. A chance. Wa can call him, let it be 12 or 1:30. Yamwe 1:30. Oga gbera gadi na emi obo. Ovie boyka. I hope a problem at all. Edoboregmo. TMN 130 Yamutu. Omana. Ciao. So, no. If you don't know wagiri. That is the reason. Nanata. Wao nemi ya mano. Uwe si obo retalo. Wao nemi ya de okenu. Uwe si obo chon. Wao nukba weba. Uwe si obo mi kemi no ma guogo sao. Uzanwe. Etalo rabon gbebegbe. Emi ya odo aze baga. Even we ma expecti. Where are negbo water? Udo amunu pokpo wa. Udo amunazen. Udo amunoso. What is giving you a tough time is that talkative. No worry, pensi go weni. No we mana we never de agbe mana talo ene. You will not have peace of mind. Even your problem go we and where he. Even your problem go we. And you know they know. Where I take away emiesu wauna. Emanu we yata ma we ma eve neki yanje. The answer is no. I said the man ata we kunu megbodingbe. Umegbodingbe. Yes. Egbodi na nata we ku emejeni. O wa ekuni. Ni me wa ya la we bona. Do me, I do you. I like this your name, well. Do me, I do you, my darling. I love this your name, there. Do me, I do you. God, not the verse. I do love this name. God bless you. God bless you. Do me, I do you. God, not the verse. Now my answer, now you can store your name, when you take the beer for your this thing. So I too like that thing when you write. Where you take open YouTube channel. Do me, I do you. Ija. No saloba be go yonia. Do me, I do you. No saloba go yoni kaka. Ume iuwe egweregbe. Ija. Well, no saloba ya go yoni. Do me, I do you. God not the ever vessel all those kind of things. Where ume ebe uwe egweregbe. Where ma be ume ebe uwe egweregbe. Do ya. And do me, I do you ni do ya kana. The wa ume uwe egweregbe. Where can I where me can I wear no me nana wear amejabo. The osa senda ugieko. I want anonia. Even like any na truth of God. Now je via the way I can channel of it. Do me, I do you. God know the verse. Ya wa ye ni we na ti kiye. Do channel. Area wa gele ya kiye. Do me, I do you talk show. God know the verse. Area wa ya kiye ze. Do me, I do you talk show. No na ma gbon we ni we na me love egberagbe. Na ume ni uwe osalobo agu yo ni. Ma wa uwe gigun apa bobo we makin. The answer is no. O tell no ma wagun. Do me, I do you no na ma wagun. Eri o stop no jege magbo. Wa ma uwe. Why is there zion we ga idore. Osalobo agu yo ni. Odo kege no kaya zion ke do ari atijo. Osalo bagi goye gbe my darling, do me, I do you. No na ma wagbon eru ya na no we na because you give me joy without your name. That's Maria Jago me babana anyway ati ene ni we ogena ka wa fe me iti atege na ige ni no ya stole o we ke na enigi ni lage bi do ne wa gide. Ekena enige eni lage no na mabagbon eru gba na no gbogbo na oga fu egbe wo ge no ma ewe bono ye na etomo we yes wa ga mi ewe bona. Do me, I do you. God no go verse. You make my day with that your name. No na mabagbon eriono. So now that why you argue okay. Eni na gele funny ogele funny. Je osahi he's all why gbeguma yo ma teta ni why na gbeguma na mata no won no te mata ladiani agbon ka we o madan no wa to ge se ni agbon wa yi ho mai ho e ho o ko ve okuta no o ma me no hu wani ne dokie e ka tosi e ko ni bisi e ko ne na nori e ko na aya gewe we oni wa ma wo we o ko tori gbo ogeni guy my sister baby yeah na my sister Ani e ma dere wo no gi ani ya sandi cause o ma so we ko aya sagbon na deso o wa sa mi agbon na deso aria na afi aria we emi ni o ye bo wa you we ko ela yin tebite tego yinu tebite tego yinu no ave ma no giogie no ma so teko ni my sister how you dey my sister I forgive you my sister I forgive you I don't want to pass tense I not do that one again I not do that one again I forgive you with all my heart no I don't forget it no you know no since I don't forgive you I never get you for mad again God sees my heart oh kotorigboa inside your heart na momo inside their hearts, if they drink or deku. Now what did they want to do you? Later now they go they think. Una not they ever believe now when person go ring one. Now not they ever believe. You don't know who they talk say. Come ya. Iwa ya bowo mi je me. Give ni agbera vane. Any mama, this your makeup. Faithfulness. I was a makeup in here. You might have makeup, but I was a makeup in here. Don't know what. This mama, this your makeup now one in some. Your makeup. Fine, voila. When we walk here, na it's okay. Why give it away? Couldn't you go makeup? Couldn't you done her? Which kind of makeup you make also? No, why get tiny? I make it bad. You work basis 1 week plus I did. Now what was this last week? I did. Oh, guy, authentic makeup in make makeup. Even Buhari wife makeup no fine personal. Now the truth. So, now be that. All those one where they say, I forgive you with all my heart. I know they that one again. Now that one you see there, I don't forgive you, my sister. He said, no, sir. Oh, Saloba, no. Where you jabo? Now make it all. Now make it liquid. Oh, yeah, forgive him. Why did you make her? My sister. Oh, may I forgive you? Well, body battle, where you go, where you left. Yagbo where you le? Yes, nah, the makeup fine, voila. Borrow another person's slippers, stay wrong. If you don't borrow another person's slippers, stay wrong. Let time be 1,500 kilometers. Now you go wrong pass. Because they making your body not your. Oh, why can't we forgive you when? Or may I forgive you what you are that way? And move well, you do me every day. Yeah, or ruin no ma wako wish she ladder. Oh, mammy will no, emi no way. He was sorry at Belazeno. Asamoto, often I didn't know me, me called. Mammy will cook. A gray we are quite a more day. In a gbe ho when we are quite a more day, bossy a baby. We are quite a more day, or ma no home. We are quite a man a day, he was saloboa. Or ma no home. Now the truth now. Or ma no home. Because if you know where ko ekpo loso egbe. Yeah, now the truth that they are soup, olo soup, Ola supo. Now the truth. Really, no way. Hey, take it at the agbe because I may forgive you. Any dege weba. I may forgive you. We mentally. You what having no? Hello, faith, love, off work me. I may forgive you. I may make it jabo. I may make it jabo. Mommy on a water where hey, let's leave it for God. Your salaba. You say yeah, no sir. Oh, sanyade. Oh, sanyati. Only way is ya. Make it Ronnie. Any I say, I know, say, oh, mopa. Hey, me, Kevin, wow, me, eto madame. He say, ya, no, sir. Eh? Any. Oh, Gayan, Ekiyan, Econo, man. Mommy, not away. My sister, I still love you now. You know, I know that someone again. I will pay a now. A bunny, I will move and move when ya. I don't know what they are, but I say, whenever ever only make it now. Only give I bet carry another person sleep as me, you bagger. Make you bagger their cookie. Hey guy, a slipper in via ten enemy. E bato mame, or a kuye note, the enu yak bowedule. E kuye ni note, but no yale. Ali, Majua. God bless you, my sister. You are beautiful in and out. God bless you. Now the truth are they talk of me, I know they talk my own they are do. Hey, if they smile, where they smile, first they read their face. No, they read inside their heart. Oh. Now first you go first concentrate. Mama, I like your color. Very beautiful woman. God bless you for the compliment. Thanks so much. Now the truth. Now that face, your fellow loco, and that mat. Wait, tell the smile, that smile. See how they tell the smile. No, that one is there. I'm not there, girl. You know, see, as that woman, whether they call Mama Benefit, tell the smile. Now that kind of smile, now strong heart smiling. Now that woman, they smile. Oh, man, no, me call no work, but ya go geni, ni ye benefit. Mama Benefit, the for that program. Ogeni no ge. Mama Benefit. Guy. Oh, what body battle my way back way. Oh, what but where you let evil take back and leave the apology where you apologize to them. Oh, I go get in it. Oh, body battle my way back way. Yeah, you just leg with a wa. I don't forgive you, sister. Another one. I don't forgive you now. Sis, now, not get your word for me again. Don't sis me, not get your word for me again. Okay, thank you, my sister. You have forgiven me. God bless you, ma. Thank you. No mention. Hey, no mention. You don't forgive me now. Hey, we are away. Thank you, ma. God bless you. They thank me. You think I don't forgive you? I never forgive you. If I do you, he will let me out. You tell me, now you know I pass. Ah, you gonna pass us. Now that kind of I like you for one thing. You know they pretend and you always stand by the truth. Now so we say the matter, oh. Now let the truth, now they set us free. If you hide under lies, na koboko, whether they see for village do they, usak bikan. Ayagba no hide you de odo. Mama no hide you de mata. Heke nariri larino. Hey, koki konega ko lebe rudememe egigba. Hey, onagigba. Yes. Aga lasan vere o. Onagigba. Hey, onagigba. Oga be lava vere o. Onagigba. Hey, onagigba ki koki konega ko. Onagigba. Hey, egigba na so. Na be that. That na anta we oriona wo sage de do gba onoro. Awe na ya ri awa kokako. E ma so waro no wado ri awa. I dey fear to Victory. What is the fear for? Now the truth now. People where they page mona share me out. YouTube channel mona share me out. Mona press love and like for this YouTube channel. Me gonna press love and like say ni mo ge kun ni no ma. Madaga isin. O te support ni agbevio when you to renesin. I don't know the music where I want dance put. I'll get a CB. Me my only I don't make copyright you. Me I tell you say man I deck bay. I forgot the play and since, so I don't want to play the music. You only can finish in a YouTube channel. You can do better side page. You can do man one hore. Now be that. So let's go back to that jealousy heart. Off work bill. I dey fear to commit. Yeah, no fear. Okay, I'll learn it today. Umada do me I do you now. I walk comment on your panel. My comment your way. Ye geruni megi nani ye magi commenti. I me leruni because it like any no yaki. Do me I do you. God know the verse. Me opa can you walk me o. Mene do leruni because any it give me joy. Or what happiness you go. Oje no who do we for me ko salo badege megeri oji. Who do we for me kona. Hello. I am doing great. I am on live. Yes, of course. Yes, on program. Soon. Yeah. All right, thanks. So, now be that, my people. Mother guy, no, not doje that boom. On Ukudore, never love when we call me Upa. The Nieni. I mean, at the time, I was giving no me. But in the yoga, on a Dorio go me. On a Dorio go me. It may be a little near. Eroni, dona, me ayaki a new page in here. Yaki have a tablet in it. This is my tablet, and I yaki a page in it. Yaki, do me, I do you, God, know the verse talk show. Now, once you are done, you can do me, I do you, God, know the verse talk show. Area wayaki eze, umeni uwe, osalo bagui yoni talk show. Or there do ya even yaki or do me, I do you, God, know the verse talk show. Yaki na avana, you want see our true one, it was maki. Do me, I do you, God, know the verse talk show. We don't know wagri, no ira kokako, so no wame na lele me honey. Do me, I do you, God, know the verse talk show. You make my day with that name, awful work, babe. So let's go back to the jealousy aspect. Wagasio bobo ho. Wagasio bobo ho ni bisi. Bitter hearts. Eko ni bisi. Eko na yaria. Eko na doya muria. Eko na doya dology. Eko na doya na ya wemiesi. Wasio bobo. Wasio bobo. Between God and man, wasio bobo. Rudan we saki and fio ma nwere wetobu we Rudan we eko ni. You always come. That is a Lucifer arts. Lucifer. Spiritual Lucifer. Or wawegbe. O wari agbon doria. Wa mari agbon do dology. O wari agbon do mwemo agmoria. Wa mari agbon do areji. O wari agbon. Nuwaya viema like eko nuwaye. O wari agbon nuwadoya siokbe akoto siokwo koto. Be we na amo sabu wuwe. We na amo sabu wuwe. Omorok ba ti weni. No ga nene Lucifer whatever ni ati egbiyan. O sa erin Jesu na aruwe. Erin Jesu ona aruwe. When I even na ya lerun he. When I even na ya ti o sa ewu wo giasin.